zshrc's got a whole family of history widgets. This is the one I prefer. I just type G, and now if I press the up arrow, it will take me through all the entries in the history that begin with G. If I'm more specific and I just ask for my alias for grep, it will just bring up, there's just 2 of them. I haven't done any locates. Yes. So that's the history recall that I like the best at present. So I can type in 1 letter G and it brings up all the G's, or I can be more specific and it will just call up. There, I've got a garage door. I post the config for that in the comments of the video.